Do not wait for the world to change, change yourself, and the world will follow. Neville Goddard. There is a rule, a golden rule, that has the power to transform your entire life, if you truly understand it. This rule is not something abstract or distant, it's something that is within your grasp, within your control. It governs everything in your experience, though many pass it by without realizing its significance. What is this rule? It is simply this: whatever you believe to be true, will be true for you. This is the foundation of all manifestation, all creation, and all experiences in life. You see, you are always creating your reality, whether you realize it or not. The thoughts you hold, the beliefs you entertain, and the assumptions you make, they are the seeds of your future. You cannot escape this creative process because it is woven into the very fabric of your being. What you think about consistently, what you feel deeply, and what you imagine vividly, these are the things that shape your world. So, if you wish to change your life, you must first change the way you think and what you assume to be true about yourself and your circumstances. This golden rule of life is often misunderstood because we tend to look outwardly, blaming external forces for our condition. But the truth is, nothing in the external world has power over you unless you give it that power. Everything begins within your own consciousness, within your own mind. You have been given this incredible gift, this divine power to shape and mold reality, and yet many use it unconsciously, creating chaos, doubt, and fear. But once you awaken to this truth, you will see that your life can shift in miraculous ways. Let me make it clear, it's not enough to merely think positively for a moment. This rule demands a deeper commitment. It requires that you persistently align yourself with the outcome you desire. You must live in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, even before any evidence of it appears in your outer world. You must act, think, and speak as though what you want is already yours. This is the key to unlocking everything. Do not wait for circumstances to change before you change your belief. Instead, change your belief first, and the circumstances will follow. Many have it backward, waiting for proof before they allow themselves to believe, but that is not how creation works. You are the cause, not the effect. You are the one generating the conditions of your life, and once you understand this, nothing can hold you back. Consider this golden rule as the ultimate guide to freedom. You are not bound by your past, your present circumstances, or the opinions of others. The only thing that binds you is your own thoughts and beliefs. So, if you find yourself stuck or feeling limited, it is not the world that is holding you back, it is your own mind. You must free yourself by consciously choosing to think thoughts of abundance, peace, and fulfillment. This is where the power of imagination comes in. Imagination is the tool through which you break free from the limitations of your current reality. You must dare to imagine yourself living the life you desire, regardless of what the outer world reflects. Your imagination is not a mere daydream, it is the gateway to the reality you seek. When you consistently imagine the best for yourself, you set in motion unseen forces that bring your desires to fruition. Now, many may ask, how long will it take for this to work? The answer lies not in time but in your level of belief. The moment you truly believe in the reality of your desire, it begins to manifest. It may come quickly, or it may take time, depending on how deeply ingrained your current beliefs are. But make no mistake, once you align your inner world with the reality you seek, it must come to pass. The timing is secondary, the belief is primary. There is no room for doubt in this process. Doubt is the great destroyer of dreams. Every time you allow doubt to creep in, you are undoing the work you have done. So, guard your mind carefully. Be vigilant about the thoughts you entertain and the feelings you nurture. Only hold in your consciousness those things you wish to experience in your life. Everything else must be cast aside. This is not a difficult task once you grasp the principle. It only requires that you be deliberate in your thinking, that you choose your assumptions carefully. You are always assuming something about your life, whether you realize it or not. Every moment, you are making silent declarations about who you are and what is possible for you. The Golden Rule asks that you become conscious of these assumptions and align them with your highest vision for your life. You may be wondering how to apply this rule practically. It begins by observing your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Notice what you are assuming about yourself, your relationships, your health, your finances. Are these assumptions in alignment with what you truly desire? If not, change them. Begin to see yourself as the person who already has what you want. Speak and act as though your dream is a reality. This is how you bring it into being. Persist in this practice. Do not be discouraged by appearances, for they are nothing but the outpicturing of your past thoughts and beliefs. You have the power to change them by changing what you believe right now. This is the Golden Rule in action. When you live by it, you will see that the outer world bends to your inner state of being. Everything you desire will find its way to you, not by force, but by the natural law of creation. Once you grasp the core idea that your beliefs shape your reality, the next step is understanding the power of persistence. Many people lose sight of their desires because they allow doubt and fear to overtake their thoughts. They start strong, full of conviction, but as time passes without immediate results, they begin to falter. This is the critical point where most give up, right on the edge of transformation. Persistence is the key to crossing that threshold, moving from merely wanting something to fully realizing it in your life. You must hold your desired outcome in your mind with unwavering faith, no matter what your current circumstances look like. Even when everything around you contradicts your vision, you must continue to affirm it within. This is where many stumble. They look at the external world and allow it to dictate their internal state. But the truth is, the external world is a reflection of past thoughts and beliefs. By the time you see something in the physical world, it's already old news. Your current beliefs and feelings are creating the future, not the present you see before you. This is why persistence is so vital. You must continue to believe in your desired outcome, even when there is no physical evidence to support it yet. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't dig up the seed every day to check if it's growing. You trust that beneath the surface, the seed is taking root and will sprout when the time is right. The same is true for your desires. They are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your consciousness. As long as you persist in nourishing them with belief and expectation, they will grow and manifest in due time. Another aspect of persistence is maintaining a positive emotional state. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your beliefs. When you feel excited, joyful, and hopeful about your desire, you are aligned with it. When you feel doubt, fear, or frustration, you are pushing it away. It's important to cultivate positive emotions, even in the face of challenges. This doesn't mean forcing yourself to feel happy all the time, but it does mean being mindful of where your emotional energy is going. Are you feeding your desire with positive emotion, or are you letting negativity sabotage your progress? To persist, you must develop emotional resilience. Life will throw challenges your way, and the path to your desire may not always be smooth. But these challenges are not signs of failure, they are opportunities to strengthen your belief. Every time you overcome doubt or fear, you reinforce your faith in your own creative power. You prove to yourself that you are the master of your reality, not a victim of circumstance. One of the most effective ways to persist in belief is through daily practice. Make it a habit to spend time each day imagining your desired outcome as already real. Engage all of your senses in this process. See it, feel it, hear it, and experience it as if it's happening right now. This mental rehearsal trains your subconscious mind to accept your desire as fact. Over time, this practice builds a momentum of belief that becomes unstoppable. It's also helpful to affirm your desired outcome throughout the day. Use affirmations that resonate with you and feel empowering. Every time you affirm your desire, you are reinforcing the belief that it is already yours. You are reminding yourself that the power to create lies within you, not in the external world. These affirmations serve as a constant reminder of your creative power and help keep you focused on your goal. As you continue to persist in your belief, you will notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities will start to present themselves, people will show up in your life who can help you, and circumstances will begin to align with your desire. These are signs that your belief is taking root and that your desire is on its way. But even when these signs appear, they continue to persist. Don't let up or become complacent. Keep nurturing your desire with belief until it fully manifests. So, the next time you find yourself doubting or feeling frustrated, remember this golden rule. It will guide you back to your power. It will remind you that you are the creator of your experience and that nothing is beyond your reach when you truly believe. Let this be the foundation upon which you build your life, and you will see wonders unfold. Now, as we conclude this powerful lesson, if you found value in what you've heard, take a moment to support this message. Click the like button and let the algorithm know this was meaningful to you. And if you want to stay connected to this wisdom and continue on this path of self-discovery, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a step. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and let them discover the power that lies within them. Turn on notifications to be the first to receive these life-changing insights, and finally, leave a comment below about what resonated with you most.